We're seeing a bit of a reaction on financial markets to these new restrictions. We see oil prices down, we see share prices down. What's the mood?
Yeah, I think that the main reaction is to comments from the Moderna CEO, who basically was saying that he wasn't so certain about the impact of the latest vaccine that they're potentially developing at the moment. They're also looking into potential boosters to try and look at the threat of Omicron. So it's just this sense of uncertainty that's driving markets at the moment. All that we know for sure is that volatility is here to stay for the next few sessions. We had that huge move down on Friday, the biggest in 16 months, a bounce back yesterday. Now we're moving in the reverse direction. Markets essentially hate uncertainty, and that's exactly what we've got.
Interesting that you highlight those remarks from Stéphane Bancel, the CEO of Moderna, of course, one of the major vaccine manufacturers and distributors. The message seems to be that the new variant, we don't know how existing vaccines will be able to deal with it or won't be able to deal with it. We all kind of knew that, but to hear that from the CEO of a major vaccine provider seems to have focused minds a little bit.
Yeah, it just highlights the fact that there is so much uncertainty about transmission, about the effectiveness of the vaccine, about potential symptoms. And all this, of course, has knock-on implications for businesses and the wider economy. And like you say, it's the oil price that's really laying bare the extent of the pain, which is down by around 4% today. WTI, the US index, breaking below that key 70 threshold. And this is in anticipation that potentially the rebound in global growth that we have been enjoying since the lows of the pandemic last year could be starting to slow. And that, of course, could bring down the price of oil and equity markets as well.